everybody, welcome back to Song Lab, and in this chapter we're tackling chords. So, we need to add some harmonic content to the melodic hook that we created. So this could be really interesting when we're choosing chords because it could really affect the way that we hear a melody. So what was once a happy, chipper melody can suddenly sound really sad if you put a predominantly minor chord progression underneath it. Just as a heads up, this is going to be the most music theory heavy part of our series. So definitely get your textbooks ready and brush up on your scales. Your scales are going to be the most important part of understanding this. It is a bit of a prerequisite to have some foundational music theory knowledge, but if you don't, that's totally cool. Just buckle up, check it out. Some of these chords are going to make sense to you, so fear not. In this chapter, we're going to be tackling Roman numerals, common chord progressions, experimentation, borrowed chords, and inversions. So with all that said, let's dive in.